Hi, my name is Irving. I am a rising junior at Cape Denver Community High School. For my starting project, I created a laser target. As you can see, my fellow friend Jason did the same thing. However, on mine, you can actually see the light a little better. Basically, as we explained, we have our basic resistors, LED, photoresistor, and our potentiometer. The potentiometer, that might sound like a big word, but I mean, it's just a simple switch or a knob. You change it depending on how strong you want the resistance. And can you see that? You know, that's basically it. We have our light source and our photoresistor. The variable just changes the resistance on it so you can see the light. Then over here, as my fellow friend Jason did, a robot RC tank. The difference between mine and his is that he got a ping sensor. I didn't have enough time to do it because maybe this is my first year doing anything like this. As I see Jason, he has more experience, you know, with stuff like this. But it was pretty fun. So basically, our works is the same thing. We got our battery pack, you know, a motor, DC motors, our receiver, PS2 receiver, our Arduino, our motor shield. So what happens is we got our Arduino. How the Arduino works is that the person controlling it, he creates a code, he or she creates a code that the Arduino runs. So at first, without the PS2 controller, I had it autonomously. So I would create the code so it would run at a certain angle to make a different figure. At first, I had it running close to 90 degrees, not quite. It would be either 89 or 88, or it would be 91, 92. And it would go first, and then it would just, you know, wouldn't make a perfect square because it's really hard to get 90 degrees, but we got close to it. We got our PS2 receiver, and what it does is simply does the same thing. Controls the PS2 robot. There was a lot of challenging things with this. Since it's my first time, I really didn't know anything about code or Arduinos. I didn't even know what Arduino was until I actually used it. You know, it was pretty intense. The hardest part, the most challenging part for me was actually getting the robot to move. Writing the code at first was so difficult to me because I was like, wow, what is this, like another language? Numbers and orange letters, blue letters, parentheses, colons, like another writing class. That's why I'm gonna be an engineer. But after I got the code, I got pretty good at coding. I learned functions. I learned all these new kinds of things to write the code. Now I got the robot to move autonomously. I got it to move on my command using my PS2 controller. And I think that was the greatest accomplishment I could do because, you know, in a not short amount of period, but, you know, during the summer doing this class, it was really amazing what you can do with different kinds of people, different engineers, you know, or electrical or chemical, or, you know, it's such an amazing program. All these accomplishments, all these students do so hard, and it's such a good thing that you got it working, you know, so you can show it out to the people. Yeah, that's about it.